Hello you guys, I'm Emily. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today's video is a little bit different for something that I usually do. We're doing a get ready with me, but we're doing makeup, hair, and outfit. I thought it would be really interesting for you guys to see kind of like my everyday type of look and something that I go to very, very often. So this is makeup that I wear very, very frequently. I don't wear a lot of like eye makeup during the week and stuff like that. If I'm doing full glam for the weekend or something, yeah, I'll go all out. But this is like a very normal look for me. So thank you guys so much for clicking on this video, and let's get started. I feel so pale right now, like I need to self-tan after this video. So first, we are starting with primer. This is the new one that I just picked up. This is from Milani. This is their Prime Protect SPF 30 Face Primer. I figured it would be a nice thing to pick up because I'm always looking for, I don't know, new sunscreen type of products for under makeup. So I'm just going to take a little. Ooh, it's very lightweight feeling. Very lightweight. It smells a little like sunscreen, but nothing bad. Actually, it gave me like a really nice glow. Look at that. For foundation today, I'm going to be using this HG Liquid Coverage Foundation from Catrice. And I think I might mix it with a little bit of Pro Glow. I want to mix it with something. I really like mixing that with stuff. Yeah, I have a little bit of Pro Glow left. This is in the shade 204, and then this one is in the shade Rose Beige 020. I feel like I'm so pale right now, nothing's actually going to match me, so please excuse the not matching foundation. Like, I feel like literally I would have to be my palest foundation, and I don't want to wear that foundation. I'm going to start by blending it in with a brush. This is the Morphe, I don't remember what it is, actually, because it came off the handle. What was I saying? I did a whole blog post on my favorite foundations, like light coverage, medium coverage, and full coverage. So you should really go check that out. Both of these foundations are in that blog post. There's about 13 different foundations that you could choose from. There's a variety of dewy and matte and all the in-between, like I said. Anyway, it's a really good blog post, in my opinion, because it's literally all you could ever need. Okay, so I have this like bag right here. Isn't it cute? That I keep all my kind of like makeup that I'm loving at the moment. It just makes my life easier right now just to like kind of grab and go. So I'm gonna basically just go out of that and use products that I really like. So I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. This has been my favorite concealer lately. I'm using this shade medium right now, and then I'm using the shade light underneath my eyes. I honestly might go in with a little bit of Shape Tape underneath my eyes just because I feel like I'm a little dark in that area right now. Yeah, I'm just going to take a tiny bit of Shape Tape, put it right in that hollow area. And then I'm just going to blend it in with my Ulta sponge. Oh yeah. Just really covering up those under eyes. This is just kind of like my go-to everyday makeup. I just wanted to show you guys kind of my makeup, hair, outfit type ordeal for the springtime. I think these videos are kind of fun because it's like I'm just getting ready with you completely, not just my makeup, like the whole shebang. And then I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild Contour Stick in Oaks on You. Just do a few swipes. Take that foundation brush and blend this in. In my favorites video, when I talked about this, I said, you know, it blends a lot better if you take your foundation brush that you just used with foundation. And it really does. Like, it blends out so effortlessly that way versus taking a clean brush. And it just blends with your foundation so much more. Like, look at that. This side versus this side. So much better. I also like to take it a little bit down the nose and under the lip. That'll just make your lip look bigger. I now have a TV right here in front of me. Hello. That I can see myself. It's like a monitor for me. And it's so nice. I can tell when I'm in focus now. Before I just had the little tiny flip out screen on the camera. And this is so much easier. Taking just a little bit more to kind of contour that area. Just a little bit more of that concealer. As you can tell from this video, I've really been into cream products lately. So, okay, I talked about this in my, what was it? My favorites video as well. But this is the Wet n Wild Hello Halo Liquid Highlighter. I just picked up this shade called Hello Goodbye. Halo Goodbye. Gilded Glow. So these are the two. And I like to mix them because Gilded Glow would be too dark for me on its own right now. Sit and then put it on the cheekbones. Like the most gorgeous highlighter in all the lands. The most gorgeous highlighter in all the lands. I suck at accents. Look at this though. Woohoo! So now I'm just gonna take my Cotillard Spun powder. I literally have basically none of this left. Like, look at this. So I'm just gonna take my powder and set my under eyes. I like to set it with my sponge because it just creates a much more flawless application in my opinion. You look a lot more smooth. It's been like 80 degrees here and it's amazing. I wonder what it's like with where you guys are. Let me know, you guys, what the weather is like where you are, because I'm such like a weather person. I get that from my dad. Not as much as like my dad and my sister, but I'm kind of obsessed with the weather and like, is it gonna be warm? Is it gonna be cold? Looking at the forecast all the time, you know, that kind of stuff. I'm gonna use this big Morphe E1 brush. I think I'm gonna take the Cotillard Spun powder and just put this all over the face, just very lightly. Okay, since we already did our like bronziness, and since my face is a lot darker than my neck, I'm not gonna do any more bronzer, but I am gonna do blush. This is a Catrice Satin Touch blush in the shade Satin Coral. Mine is in 2 pieces because I broke it. Just fell apart on me. Oh well. And I'm just gonna take this brush from Wet n Wild. Pop that on the cheeks. This has been my everyday blush lately. It's just so pretty, so easy to work with. I just like it. Okay, I feel like a lot of people talk about this, but like I just need to make your brains, I don't know what I was gonna say, but I need to enlighten you. The best chapstick freaking ever is the Aquaphor Healing Ointment, not the lip one. Don't get the lip repair or whatever it's called. Get the healing ointment. I used the lip repair for like a couple years and it was good, but this is better, like so much better. I need to get the foundation off my lips actually first before I do that. I literally can put this on at night and still feel it in the morning. My lips are so moisturized. It's literally the best chapstick I've ever used. If you get that reference from Parks and Rec, leave a comment down below. Caleb and I are watching Parks and Rec right now, and it's so good. For brows, I'm going to use the CoverGirl Ultrafine Brow Pencil, or whatever it's called, Micro Brow Pencil in Soft Brown. I seriously can't stop using this, you guys. Like, so it's so good. So this is basically like a favorites video in one. Like, these are literally all my favorite products right now. This is what I use on a daily basis. This is my favorites video in action. Like my past favorites video that I just uploaded last week. That's what this video is, basically. It's like an effortless, feathery brow. Like, I don't spend very much time on my brows. I'm going to do this, and then I'll put this brow gel from e.l.f. in the shade Medium through my brows. And I'll show you the difference. It's, like, phenomenal. Like, look at the difference of the 2 brows. I don't think my brows are, like, bad or anything. They're just not as dark and, like, as full. So for eyeshadow, I was going to do an eyeshadow look, and then I was like, you know what? Is that a realistic get ready with me? No. So I'm just taking a fluffy brush. This is from Wet n Wild and my NYC Sunny Bronzer. You can take any bronzer. I don't even know if this is available anymore, actually. So you can take any bronzer and that you use that day or whatever, and I'm just fluffing this into the crease. I like doing this with any brown shadow or whatever. Just like, look how much more definition this eye has. Just like a little bit. It's like a little something something, you know? Nothing crazy. Like everyday makeup. It's realistic. That's what I want to tell you guys on my channel. Like, seriously, I love full glam. I love it so much. But there's a time and place for that. And there's a time and place for, like, just regular makeup. Like, This is something I would wear day to day and not like take 10 years to do it, you know? Okay, for the inner corner and stuff, I like to make that pop because, I don't know, I do. I'm going to take the Wet n Wild highlighting powder in the shade Precious Petals. It's this really pretty goldeny shade. And just put some, I like to put it in the inner corner and then just kind of take it on the lid a little bit. It's really pretty. I like it. And we'll do a little bit on the brow bone. Ooh, that was a lot. I'll go back in and blend that out. I'm going to spray my face first with the Pixi Hydrating Milky Mist. I almost need a new one of these. It's almost gone. I'm going to use the Rimmel Lasting Lip Liner in the shade 49 Natural. Okay, for lips, I'm going to take Champagne Showers by CoverGirl. They're Melting Pout Matte. I have really been enjoying these nude shades, like I said in my review. So I just go in, put it on, and then I go like this. Okay, then for lashes, none other than the L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara. Like, hello, could I use anything else? Okay, so that is it for the makeup. That only took me 25 minutes, and I was talking to the camera and everything, so that would probably take me about 15, maybe a little bit over 15. So now we're going to get into the hair. I have my curling iron heating up. This is the Remington Pearl Edition curling iron. I think it's like 1 inch to a 1/2 inch maybe. I want to get the bigger one for my birthday. I'm going to ask for that, which is the end of the month, and yeah, my birthday is literally the last day of the month. And so now I'm just brushing my hair with the wet brush. I love this brush. It is literally the only brush I will use on my hair. Well, I mean, if I have anything to do with it. My hair is old right now. Like, it needs to be washed. It's been probably at least 4 days. So I'm going to use some dry shampoo. This is from Ebates. This is their Clean and Light Bare dry shampoo. I like this scent and the tropical scent. This is definitely my favorite dry shampoo of all time. It just works really great. So you just shake it, spray some in your sections, and I let it sit there for a second. Then I'll do this. Smells so good. Really ruffle up the hair. I really need to do this because I have what's it called? Dark hair. They do have a dark version, but then I get it on my hands and I just don't like that. So okay. So I'm literally just gonna start curling my hair. I'll show you how I do a few pieces and stuff, and then I'll probably like speed through it. But I literally just take my hair and wrap it around a few times, leave out the end, and then I like to hold it like kind of parallel to me, because then it seems not to get like those really spirally curls, just gets kind of like looser. And then I like to pull it out as well, so it's more like of a loose wave. And I also don't section my hair because I feel like it looks a little bit more like messy and beachy and natural, like I like when I just leave it out. So like sometimes I just don't leave it in as long and just let it kind of do its thing. And that's the whole point, is like, I don't want this to look perfect because first of all, I don't want to spend as much time on it. And second of all, I just like that look. It's really cute, messy, tousled or whatever, tousled, however you say it. And yeah. And also, I feel like my hair curls so good when it's dirty. Like, there's a little bit more grip to it and stuff. I do have a heat protectant in. It was, I mean, I put it in forever ago, so I don't know if it, like, lasts in your hair. But it's a leave-in conditioner, and it has, like, up to 450 degrees or something, I think. So, I'm covered because I'm at 410 degrees. So I just kind of go through and do this to my hair, and I will be back once it's all done. Hello, you guys. So this is my hair. It's all done. It's a little nutso in the front, but I kind of just like to put it behind my ears if it's a little nutso sometimes. Good to go. I ended up spraying this Style Sexy hairspray into my hair. I'll kind of show you. I just kind of lift it and spray it, and it really gives you texture. It's their texturizing spray clay. I'll have it linked down below. I really like it, especially when my hair is already dirty, and it just makes it feel like nice and gritty, because I'm probably going to wash this tonight. So that is it for the hair. I'm going to go get dressed, and I will show you guys my outfit. Okay, you guys, so this is my outfit. I have on this shirt from Target and this clutch from Target as well. This is from my haul. A lot of this stuff is, actually all of this stuff is from my haul. Like what? Except for my watch. My Target haul, if you guys haven't seen that, you should definitely go check it out. But anyway, so this shirt is from Universal Thread from Target. I love it. It's so cute. I just love all the little details on it. These jeans are Celebrity Pink from Macy's. They're super comfortable. The shoes are again Universal Thread from Target. Again, super cute. This wallet is A New Day, I think is what it's called, from Target as well. I just like the pop of pink with the whole outfit. Here, maybe I'll get back a little bit further so you guys can see. I like the pop of pink with the whole outfit. It's just like a lot of neutrals, which I love neutrals, and so a little pop of pink is what I'm all about. So, and then I have on this watch from Movement. I will link everything down below, but I love this watch. And yeah, that's my outfit. Also, these earrings are from Target. They were in a pack. I will link those down below as well if I can find them. But I really like them. They just are a nice little subtle thing. They don't have like a weird like huge back, which I freaking hate that like plastic ring thing. They always just irritate my ears. So, all right, I am back in the seat. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Something a little bit different from me doing, you know, the whole get ready process. This is honestly something I would wear and like look, this is how I would look on a normal spring day. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe. What? If you did enjoy it, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel down below. I would really appreciate it. It'll really help out the channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in a video very, very soon. Bye.